What if I told you that 1 teaspoon of something sitting in your kitchen right now could naturally thin your blood, protect your heart, and reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke, just like aspirin, but without the side effects? I know that sounds almost too simple to be true, but nature doesn't need to be complicated to be powerful. And in this video, I'm going to show you how something so small, so easy, can support healthy circulation, reduce dangerous clots, and potentially save your life. We're talking about garlic. Not a capsule, not a supplement, but raw garlic, freshly crushed. Now stay with me, because I'm going to break down exactly why this works, what it's doing inside your body, and how to take it properly. You're going to understand this in a way that you've never heard it before, because this isn't just about garlic. It's about you, your blood, your future. When you crush garlic, it activates a powerful compound called allicin. This is the natural chemical responsible for garlic smell, but also for its incredible medicinal properties for our bodies. Allicin works in a way very similar to aspirin. It inhibits platelet aggregation, meaning it helps prevent your blood cells from clumping together to form a clot. It also supports the endothelial function, the inside of the arteries. It improves blood vessel dilation, making it get wider. It even helps lower blood pressure, all without disrupting your stomach lining or increasing the risk of internal bleeding like aspirin sometimes can. Here's what's really going on inside your body. Your blood contains tiny cell fragments called platelets, and they're designed to stick together when there's an injury. That's how clots form, to help protect your body so it can heal. And that's good, only particularly in emergencies. But when a clot forms unnecessarily, it can block blood flow to the brain, causing a stroke, or to the heart, causing a heart attack. Now take your hand and make a fist. That's about the size of your heart. It never stops pumping. Day and night, it pushes blood through nearly 60,000 miles of vessels. Hard to imagine. Your heart trying to push all that blood through those vessels that are sticky, narrowed, and inflamed. It struggles. It tires. And all it takes is one clot in the wrong place, and everything can change in an instant. So how can garlic help? And here's exactly what you need to do. You're going to take one fresh garlic clove. You're going to crush it with the side of a knife, whatever's easier, crush it down. You need to let it sit for 10 minutes to activate that allicin. It goes through this chemical reaction. You'll swallow it raw, or mix it with a teaspoon of honey, which I recommend. You could put a squeeze of lemon if you want, or warm water if needed. You can take a shot of warm water after to chase it down. You want to take it on an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Now, here's where you can level it up. If you choose, you can add a pinch of turmeric, which contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that helps keep blood vessels relaxed and clear. And very powerful, or a dash of cayenne pepper, which contains capsaicin, a natural stimulant that boosts circulation by widening those blood vessels and gently supporting heart function. But let me make this very clear. You do not need turmeric or cayenne pepper to get that powerful result, what garlic can do for you, because garlic on its own is already incredibly effective. If garlic is all you have, it's more than enough, definitely more than enough to support your healthy circulation, to help reduce clotting risk and to nourish your cardiovascular system naturally. Now, a word of caution: if you're already taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, Plavix, Eliquis, or even daily aspirin, do not add this without talking to your doctor first. Garlic can enhance those effects and increase bleeding risk. So always be smart and safe, and talk to your doctor to make sure it's okay with you. Let me share something personal. I once spoke with a man 51 years of age who had a mini stroke, also known as a TIA. His doctor said it was likely just a fluke and sent him home with no medications, no therapy, no directions. But no one asked about his circulation, his inflammation, or his lifestyle. He didn't need another pill. He needed education. He needed a way to support his body's natural healing systems. And that's what this is all about, to understand your own body. Let's do something together right now, real quick. Place your hand over your chest. You feel your heartbeat? Hold it there. Look at your fingers. Are they cold? Are they puffy? Are your toes often get numb? These are subtle signs that your blood isn't flowing optimally. And poor blood flow isn't just about the risk of a heart attack or stroke. It affects you every single day. It's about energy. It's about oxygen. It's about clarity and even your appearance. And this matters, not just for preventing death, but for improving life. Because when your blood flows freely, your body thrives. Good circulation affects your energy and stamina, your mental clarity and focus. It affects your immune system strength, your recovery after exercise, or even types of stresses you may be going through. It helps your sleep quality, your skin helps glowing, helps tissue repair, helps your digestion, helps you absorb nutrients to get better digestion. And even the warmth of your hands and feet. That's what good circulation does. And these are signs that your body is either healing or hinting that something's off. So here's what I want you to do. Starting tomorrow, crush 1 clove of garlic. Let it sit for 10 minutes to get that allicin. Swallow or mix it with lemon or honey. You can take it every morning on an empty stomach. I like to do it before my meal, about 5, 10, 15 minutes before. And repeat this daily for 2 to 4 weeks. And track how you feel. Watch your blood pressure. See how it goes down. Notice your energy, your recovery, your circulation. Garlic may be simple, but its power is profound. Remember, no pill can ever heal the body. The body heals itself when you stop interfering and start supporting. Just 1 small teaspoon can make all the difference to help prevent that stroke or heart attack that never had to happen. Remember, stay smart, stay strong, and as always, let food be your most powerful medicine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and family. Leave your comments below. And most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel.